But what's nice about this kind of swing trade, this bread and butter trade, is that you don't need the market to be up to make money. If you've been playing these iron condors and the bread and butter 30 to 60 day type of swing trades, you've had no stress at all in none of these trades. Every single day of this year, you had no stress at all. You haven't had any stress since April of last year when we had that liberation time. But let's talk about a 30 to 60 day swing trade. And a swing trade for us here at Dorian Trader, you guys, is what we call a bread and butter trade. We call it the bread and butter strategy, not because it's our primary strategy here at Dorian Trader, because it's not anymore. It's still my primary strategy, but we call it bread and butter because that was the strategy that we started teaching first here at Dorian Trader. It's a swing trade. 30 to 60 days, and usually closer to the 60 days. And if it's something outside of that range, it's going to be more than 60 days. It's never less than 30 days. And if you trade this with the philosophy of trading it super small and being more and more vigilant as the market goes up, this bread and butter trade can be crazy powerful for you. And I mean, just giving you an example. I traded this strategy for a decade in my hedge fund, and I would often go years without having a losing month. And when I did lose, a lot of times it was I would be up 11 out of 12 months with this kind of bread and butter strategy. Is it flawless? No. I ran into a ridiculous problem during COVID situation. And it was the kind of the first ridiculous problem in that whole kind of decade period. So it's not flawless. Nothing is flawless in my opinion. Even the safeguard strategy is not flawless. You can go periods of time of being down for a long period of time, but it's a buy and hold so you can come back from it. But what's nice about this kind of swing trade, this bread and butter trade, is that you don't need the market to be up to make money. The market can be flat, down, up, down a lot. The market can be up a lot. All of these different factors can happen with this type of swing trade. If you wait until you have the correct setup, and I've been using the terminology of the right pitch. If you wait for the right pitch, this trade can be just amazing for you this 30 to 60 day. So what I mean by that is that if you are going to put on a put spread, well, wait till the market is down a 0.5% or more. And if let's say you did, it's down the 0.5%, then let's say the next day it's down 1%, and then you put on something else, right? But you still stay small, trying to, as the market is near all-time highs, which we still are near all-time highs, you stay vigilant using a very small percentage of your account so you can take advantage of the times when we drop. Because on average, we drop a 0.5% or more about 5 times a month. And if you can just wait for those pitches, wait for those times, you're going to have ridiculous odds with this type of trade, especially if you're allowing yourself to be 15 or more percent away. Normally, as you guys been seeing recently, I've been 20+% away, a bear market away from where it's currently trading at. So the market would have to fall a ton. It can fall a lot and we'd still be fine. It'd have to fall a ton before we would even have to adjust. So if you're doing what we call here at the Dorian Trader, the bread and butter strategy, and you're doing puts when the market is down a lot, once again, a 0.5% or more. And if you're going to do a super wide iron condor, you make sure that you're, 4, 3 deltas on both sides kind of stuff. That's what I call a super wide iron condor recently. And if the market has been going up, but not just, one day, 2 days, but it's going up, hitting all-time highs, you can really play that call side. It's giving you an advantage and you can just put on a call spread at that point, right? I try to put on less calls unless it's a kind of an iron condor, obviously, but less calls by themselves individually because the market does have a tendency to drift up. That hasn't been the case this year. Before we continue with the video, I just want to quickly point out, if you need any additional help, please consider joining our trading club. You can do that by clicking on the link in the description area, and you'll get a 3-month trial for a flat fee of $60. We look forward to seeing you in the trading club. Back to the video. If you've been playing these iron condors and bread and butter 30 to 60 day type of swing trades, you've had no stress at all in none of these trades. Every single day of this year, you had no stress at all. You haven't had any stress since April of last year when we had that liberation time. It's
Oh,
been that long since you had and not even one day of stress if you've been doing this type of trade. And some of you have on the call and has been doing well with that kind of concept. So consider using the bread and butter type of style, learning it and using it as one of your go-to type of trades. Obviously, we want you to have most of your money into the safeguard. You might be interested in some 0 DT type of trade or 1 DT, 7 DT, but having the bread and butter in your arsenal for at least the days the market is down 1%, as I just say, doesn't happen very often. You can put on a put spread, be super far away because volatility spikes up, and people are nervous. Market is giving you that risk premium. You can make a lot of stress-free type of money doing that. So learn the process, go over course one, ask as many questions as you possibly can in these meetings, and then just start implementing it, and then you'll have that edge on your side. Plus, if you learn to adjust, you'll have that edge. And then if you do what we've been calling stacking, you'll have that edge. So the odds of the market beating you on those trades should be, very, very small possibility for it to beat you. Nothing's 100% chance of not, but it should be closer to that.